Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know the Windows Task Manager has a secret mini window mode for showing device info? In the Performance tab, just double-click any of the chart to shrink it down, and resize the window to show however much you want. Then double-click it to bring it back. To show detailed graph for one specific device, you can double-click on the right side of the window. Certain devices also have other graph view modes. Like for the CPU, you can right-click, change graph to greater than logical processors to see graph for all cores. There is also this show kernel times mode. For network adapters, there is a view network details option which shows a window with all this data. And for GPU, you can select change graph to multiples engines to see different types of utilization, and even use these drop-downs for each chart to select which engines to show. And finally, for all devices, you can right-click then click copy, and it will copy a bunch of the data you see at the bottom of the window here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.